So what keeps you going day after day?
I'm motivated to try to live a complete life. I'm not that spiritual or religious, but it's hard for me not to view each day as a blessing. And I really also care about trying to help those who come to me and seek my help. I never force it upon them, but if they come to me and they seem to like they would benefit or like they want my help, it really motivates me to try to see if there's something that I can do.
Do you have a story you could share where your outlook or optimism helped you achieve good results?
I do. Shortly after I started my own law firm, a gentleman came to me, and he was rejected for employment by a very prominent nonprofit in the area. And he was rejected because of his prior criminal background. And I'm a believer that people should be afforded second chances, especially when it comes to employment. You shouldn't deprive someone from having a job because of a criminal background, especially in instances where they've faced the consequences already. Let them move on and let them get employment. So he told me his story. I never met him before, and I was really moved by it. And I never handled a case in this area of the law either. But I took his case and didn't really know what to expect. Prepared really hard and really well for a trial, and we went to court on it. We actually had a trial on it. And the trial went really well. My client did an excellent job, and the judge ruled in our favor. And it was a courtroom packed with people who were waiting for their cases to come next. And I'll never forget that after the judge ruled in my client's favor, he also spoke rather harshly to the nonprofit prospective employer who rejected my client about second chances and America and things that it was almost like a movie moment for me. And after the judge did that, my client gave me a huge bear hug, and the courtroom exploded with a standing ovation for my client and me.
What is it about a set of facts that can get you that kind of result?
If I don't see fairness or equality with a story, I'm more likely to try to step in and get fairness and equality. It does require some creativity. So a set of facts can be presented to 10 lawyers, and 9 lawyers would reject it. And I feel like I've developed a reputation where I'm taking cases that other lawyers aren't taking. And I'm not to say that I'm taking every case that walks through the door, because I'm certainly selective, but in certain instances I take a case that other lawyers won't take because I see that the way that things developed and the way that things went down really hurt my client. It just wasn't right and just wasn't fair. And I feel like that's when I need to step in.
You must be doing really well.
We are. I've been able to, I'm very fortunate though, and I never take it for granted, but we've grown our firm to 4 employees now, and that just allows us to help more people and take more cases where we believe in the cause. And I think it's important that I always try to stress, I don't take a case for strictly financial reasons. I take a case if it piques my interest for a social cause or something where I can use my creativity in a way that really will benefit a client. So where a lot of firms view cases as inventory and a way of operating their business, I take a lot of cases for the principle of the matter.